Alright, so this is my 1993 Toyota pickup. Two-wheel drive. Everything's stock on it, minus the little things I did. The 4Runner bumper was on it when I got it, and I put clear corner lights and bumper lights on it just to make it look a little nicer, because the old ones were all dry rotted out and cracked. I don't know where to put the other ones on. They're about whooped, so put those on it, and looks a little nicer in my opinion. But, yeah, when I drove around town, ran some errands, I figured it'd just be a fun video to get some GoPro of what it's like driving one of these things around town when you got 5 inches of snow or whatever is left after they plowed. I'm just running. These came with the truck actually when I got it. Only about half tread, but really had no issues driving around at all. So you're wondering how these things handle in the snow with no weight in the rear, I forgot to mention. And I hope you enjoy this video of what it's like to drive one of these things. Just to show that it's a stock 22RE. You don't need power to do anything with these things. There it is. It's got 285,000 miles on it, just about. So, right. According to what I heard from the buyer, I'm the third owner from the original. It was an older gentleman, but 285,000 now. So yeah, that's about it, I guess. And for everyone wondering why I'm driving a Toyota in the snow, because it's gonna rot in half. Luckily out here in Montana, they don't use salt, so my frame is spotless. You still get to have fun in the snow and not have to worry about your little pickup rotting in half. But yeah, so hope you enjoy the cruising around town and all that snazzy stuff. This is my awkward intro for everyone, because I never talk in my videos, but enjoy. keep saying I'm gonna make a video about this car and the build and stuff, but yeah, it's been a long summer, but hopefully here soon in the next week or so I will get this thing up in the air finally, now that I'm moved, get underneath it and actually show what's all done to it so far. Another thing is ugly, but body work is kind of last on my list after all the stuff that I've done to it. If you've seen my Instagram, I mean, you've probably seen most of what's done to it, but it's getting there. So stay with me. Sorry for all the hopeless foreshadowing to a video of this thing, but it'll be here soon enough.